The 69th Independence Day celebrations highlighting national unity took place at the Golf-Base Green today, with President Maithripala Sirisena presiding over the event.
The 69th Independence Day celebrations commenced following the arrival of President Maithripala Sirisena at the Golf-Base Green. A 2-minute silence was observed in honor of national heroes who made the supreme sacrifice to protect and preserve the freedom and the territorial integrity of the country. Prime Minister Ranil Wickremesinghe, Speaker of Parliament Karu Jayasuriya, former President Chandrika Bandaranaike Kumaratunga, ministers, MPs, diplomats and other dignitaries attended the event.
අපේ රට LTT ත්‍රස්තවාදයෙන් මුදවා ගැනීමට සටන් කළ විරෝධාර රණවිරුවන් සිහිපත් කිරීම ඉතාමත් අවශ්‍යයි අද වගේ දවසක.
When we talk about the freedom, it is essential to remember the valiant war heroes who fought to save our country from LTTE terrorism throughout 30 years. All of you know that it is necessary to strengthen the national as well as religious reconciliation in the country. Specifically, I have to mention that we as a government have given priority in this regard. I clearly state that even though we receive accolades locally and internationally for our commitment and determination to establish national reconciliation and peace in the country, there are some opportunistic elements who act against those noble efforts of the government. I describe those opportunist forces as a section of society who act against the country.
පටු චේතනාවෙන් කටයුතු කරන අය රටට විරුද්ධව රටට එරෙහිව කටයුතු කරන බලවේග වශයෙන්ුයි මම හඳුන්වන්නේ.
The President also spoke on the country's economic plan.
අපේ රටේ අද ප්‍රධාන වශයෙන්ම ආර්ථික නිදහස සඳහා මූලිකත්වය දී යුතු වෙනවා.
Today, all of us should commit ourselves to ensure the economic freedom of our country when we define the word freedom. I must mention that as a government, we are always giving priority to provide requisite guidance to our young generation to acquire new knowledge to conquer the world and also to build this country based on the concept of the knowledge economy. I believe everyone will fulfill their respective duties in achieving noble national goals. Everybody acknowledges the imperative need for eliminating corruption, bribery, malpractices, waste and fraud. It is essential for the politicians and public servants to work honestly and with commitment. It is essential for the politician to be a character of honesty and commitment. Furthermore, I trust the politicians and public servants fulfill the responsibilities and duties honestly and with commitment to build the motherland.
සියලු රාජ්‍ය නිලධාරීන් ඒ කැපවීම සහ අවංකභාවය තුළ මේ මාතෘ භූමිය ගොඩනැගීම සඳහා තම වගකීම සහ යුතුයකම ඉතා උසස් ලෙස ඉටු කරන බව මා විශ්වාස කරනවා.
Over 7,000 individuals represented the 3 armed forces, police, civil security force, National Cadet Corps and National Youth Corps at the 69th Independence Day Parade.